I'm gonna mix Too Faced Born This Way in the Kylie Skin concealer. This was on sale at Ulta, so I got it for like half off. I think, I don't know if Kylie makeup is like is getting discontinued or like what's going on, because like all her makeup is literally on sale right now. And I'm not interested in most of it. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, like I don't really care about the bronzer. I know they're like decent quality, but I'm just not like crazy about it. I like the blushes, but they're not like anything I would repurchase even on sale. Like they're not like that amazing. It's just crazy to me how like somebody can have such an average brand and people just buy it for the name. Like people were like obsessed with the liquid lipsticks. I personally found them drying. So I don't know. It's like, I highly doubt she wears her own makeup. She probably wears like Chantecaille and like the most expensive makeup on the market. Because she's Kylie Jenner. She's a billion. I think she's like the richest person. Not the richest person, but she's like she's definitely become a billionaire. So I have to be careful with my under eyes, because if I put too much concealer, I can look older, which I do not want to happen. No. And also with, you know, my skin as well. So I'm gonna put a little bit of banana powder underneath my eyes, just a little bit, because I don't want any creasing at all. So my eyelids. I'm working today. This is my lunch hour. I'm going to run a few errands during lunch, and then I'm going to come back and finish some financial statements I'm working on for a business. And that's it. I believe maybe do a workout class tonight. Need to work out. I've been eating so bad. Maybe I'll run outside. I already set my face. Whoa. No, I didn't. I'm gonna set my face with the Wear Airbrush Skin Hydrate and Set Powder on a stipple brush. So I'm going to use the Patrick Ta She's So LA. This is like a bronzer blush. I'm gonna use it on with the Fenty brush. I'm gonna take the cream side and I put on my forehead. I just put it, then I blend it in later. I use like cream like pretty heavily because my skin's oily, so it's gonna blend away. Use so much of this already and it's still so full. I feel like I use this on a daily basis. I'm going to blend that in with another stipple brush. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. What is it called? I just had it. Oh no. Oh, I hate this. I'm gonna use two cream blushes, so I'm gonna use the e.l.f. new product, the new cream blush from them. This is such a pretty color. Look how pretty that is. This is a dupe for a NARS cream blush. And then I'm gonna use another cream blush. This is the MAC Glow Play blush. So this is kind of like a mixture of powder and cream on top, a little bit. And I'm gonna put powder on top of that, obviously, because it's a pretty much kind of hot day. It's a hot day. So I'm gonna set the whole face with the Wet n Wild Reserve Your Cabana. This is a good, like, glowy setting powder, and also it can be a highlighter. Really light one though. And then I'm going to use a highlighter. This is actually the Colored Rain highlighter I talk about all the time. No flash needed. On my cheekbones. Also, by the way, this is like an everyday look. I'm gonna use this on my décolleté and what's it called? Well, other bones. And then I'm going to put a base on my eye. I'm gonna use the Eyes to Kill. This is in 9. It's a little glittery, so I have to use a very light amount or it'll fall underneath. Which I do not enjoy. I'm going to do my lips. This is the Makeup Forever waterproof. Oh, I take it close to the camera. Lip liner. Outline a little bit. What I love about this pencil is that it's so easy to use. Like, I feel like it doesn't bleed, but it's perfect creaminess. I'm gonna put a light amount of, this is Russian Red, of this limited edition NARS lipstick. This is like a light pink, love this. In the middle. And I'm gonna use Love Struck by Iconic London as my lip gloss. Which is gonna come off in 5 minutes because I don't put mask on, but when you're a lip product lover, you're a lip product lover, okay? That's what it is. I'm gonna put a little bit more powder on because I feel like I'm getting oily. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes, Shiseido. There's actually a gold version I just saw. It's limited edition, online only, considering buying that. And I'm using the Makeup Forever Smoky Stretch first. I'm gonna layer my mascaras. Haven't been really wearing falsies lately because getting my eyes at rest from the glue can kind of get a little irritated. I'm gonna put a little bit of Rockstar inside my waterline. This is a perfect purple for brown eyes. It's a little bit. And I'm going to put Telescopic on my lower lash line. This is really good for the lower lash line. Gets every single lash without smudging, and I think it's better than the Clinique bottom mascara. Well, it's way cheaper. And then I'm gonna use the Maybelline Lash Sensational, which I'm kind of nervous to use because it's kind of, oh, it's really wet. I'm a little nervous. I think it needs another week. That looks good. Oops. I do think I need a little bit more blush because I'm not so tan, so. I'm just gonna go in with the powder side of the She's That Girl Patrick Ta on the Worker Fan from Sonia G. And I'm gonna blend up actually. And I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. I've been doing the same look all the time. So on a Sigma E40, I'm gonna go in with caramel on my crease. And now I'm actually gonna go in with this little shader brush, and I'm going to go in with, I'm gonna mix creme brulee and macchiato together. If you haven't tried this palette, I really recommend it. Really good metallics and really good matte. So kind of, I've actually repurchased this palette because I used up so many of the shades. It's such a good everyday palette. Fall palette, everyday palette, one of my favorites. Look how metallic that is, and that's not even wet. And then I'm gonna go in with another blending brush. I'm gonna go with the pumpkin spice, real orangey. Just focus on the outer V. And now I'm going to take one more mascara for, this is the curler from YSL. I'm going to really focus on the ends. This is going to give that false lash effect. I'm going to take the Wayne Goss 19, and I'm going to go into the color Mocha, and this is going to go right into the crease. And I'm going to take that on my waterline. Now I'm going to take an E40 again and go into Vanilla Cream as a blending out color. So you can leave the look right here if you want. Or you can take it a little bit deeper. I am going to take the color Macchiato and put that under my eyebrow. I'm going to also take that in my inner corner. I could never find my brow products, which is really annoying. It's so annoying. I can't find any of my brow products. Well, I'm just going to use what I got. So I'm just going to go in with Mocha again, that deep brown. I'm just going to add like a very light touch of brown to fill in my brows. When I have makeup on, I feel like I need to make sure my brows are a little bit more filled in, but not too much. And any brown eyeshadow will do. Like, I just feel like there's really no need for a brow product. It's just nice to have. Just like there's really no need for a under eye moisturizer. Like, you could just use your regular moisturizer. And I'm just gonna put some mascara, what's the word? More eyeliner on my top lid. Look it out. This is Rockstar again. I'm gonna set my face with the Cover FX 24-hour setting spray. And that completes the look, guys. Thank you for joining me. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Have a good rest of your day.